All right. Now we are still here. Let's explain it a bit. Now these two lines, let me make them just one for each other. Explain it well. So the line width, that is the length. How width is the line? It will be 3. I know this is not the length, it is how thick the line is. We give it a 3 pixel or 3 font size. That is actually pixel, sorry. Then we use this label, and this label, it is the shaped column.name. So it is going to column. First for this label is going to take the shape data frame. From data frame it goes to column, and from each column it gives us the name. So it is here. So this column, as you see, and we have this name. So it is going to come this data frame, then column, then get this name, this name, this name, this name, and then it will be aligned, or it will be plotted into the legend. Legend, I've just said, it is a box like so, and that legend font size will be 16. So meaning the C Python will be given font size of 16 words. So let me comment this, and also comment this one, and then I want also to bring this anew, and I copy just this, and I come and bring it here, and after that I can bring these two which explain more about it. Just come here and hand it here, and then comment that, and then comment that, and then let me see when I run, that is unmatched. There is something unmatched. Shape column dot name. All right, so let me finger it out. All right, so this should be one line. As you see, we have done as 2 lines, so we just put a comma here and make this a line like that, and then we try again, and yes, you can see now we got everything. So if you want to make it clean, you can come here, really you can come here and hand this height to then increase figure. Let's add 3, 15, and 9. Control Shift Enter. Shift Enter. And yes, you can see now it is big enough. For example, this bluish color, There's Python here. Then you have this grayish. It is JavaScript. And we have another blue, which is called this one, this bluish PHP. This one. And we have another bluish, which is almost not there. Iko chini kabisa. It is called the assembly. So assembly is even not existing. It is very low. Now that is how we can come up with this. So I think we are almost done with the data visualization using graphs and presenting data in the form of graphs and charts.